Yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, back in Florida. As you know, another day, another vlog. Me see everybody review on the last vlog when me drop. You know, from the point of view, for say, on the whole situation, which I put it out there to get on the feedback really, and them something happen in a real life. The stage of me in my life now, me not hide nothing. So all of my relationship, them I'm go through, you know, I go always hear my side on this. You see me? So, I'm glad me have a platform I can show my side of the story. Megan, I respect and rate the same way. I may try call her people and she not answer. I can't show her now on camera, but I just call her before I come on camera. She not answer. So I go try again throughout the day, try call her. Mel act weird and them a show shot off for me on Instagram like me not see. You no look right there so. Them a show shot for me on Instagram. So I just say what me have to set up. So you see where me I come from. That's my tip on the whole thing. Right now me in Florida, careless. I link one of my virgin them to come help me. Take off the tire them and put on a spare and probably put here in a couple of them. I go change the tire them. Probably today if the shop open when I buy the rim them, I go buy the tire today. If not, this I go stay till I come back from Georgia. Can't bother. So vlog girl right now we outside and I show you tire. Two of them flat. Two of them have ear, I have to go put ear in it. Let me show you what I go on right now. So vocal there help me put on the spare thing, I go fix the car tire. Can't bother, I don't need them rim. Don't need them. You want them when I take them off?
Eh?
You want them when I take them off?
Shit, me take them, yeah. How about what size them?
20 inch.
20?
Yeah. So catchy pre-vlog world, vocal just fix the car for me. I'm gonna make a stop. Look like rainbow for fall. As you can see, place so cloudy, but rainbow for fall. So I'm about to go grab our food and go back home. Still I edit the movie when I shoot in New York with Mel, Scare and Dante and me. Still I edit that. As me did tell you know, I don't know if me did mention it in another vlog. Me never get to finish shoot the whole of the movie. Them, cause I go there with really 3 ideas for shoot while me did there in New York. Me only execute 1.5. Cause somebody back out at the next movie, so me have to try find somebody for play back for your part. A long story, so me end up never finish 1.5, and me have 1.5 done. So the one when me done shoot for, me go try hurry up and edit it, so you can watch it. You see me? And that one I go start Mel, and Scare, and me. Yeah, 3 a week night. So you can look out for that. I don't know when I go drop it, but as soon as I drop it, I go run a little one promo, probably for 2 or 3 days, and then I drop it. So you can look out for that, the movie when I shoot. Yeah, I'm cut. You don't mind me and my Jesus story, but Ricky is here. Yo, no look for the dog, guys.
I'm alright now.
You didn't have Jesus, thank you, no, bro.
Yo, thank you everybody for reaching out, the support, everybody. I love you guys.
Yo, me think only for cherry, you know when they jump off a bike and the road rush, me think you better have only for that.
Because me land on top of the car.
Dog, me just glad to say you alright, dog.
Good, my G come look for me, you see me? Yo, can't do too.
Oh, sorry. Look on the man, show them your hand. Your hand black and blue.
It used to be worse than this.
Your hand black and blue. That I only fuck up problem with
cut
it.
yourself, but they're not really bad.
Dog, and your balls they lick up though.
Dog! Every time you bounce this shit.
We know that must hurt, dog. So right now we out here chill a whole vibe. A long time I don't see Ricky, you know. Yo, me really check up the date. It a rain, me feel it. 1 month now, me not there my yard, you know. 1 month fully now, me not there my yard. But me glad me forward back. Further look it same. You see me? We outside, I go link my godson and bingy them and thing, but me not think my car can go so far. I barely drive Panda Spear. I place where I forgot go buy the tire them. Lock.
No, Ancho, oh, you for dance for a girl, dog? Are you a woman there right there, brother?
Come on and hype up something, alright?
Watch out.
Alright, watch it now.
No,
Him there, hold on, him there watch the vlog now, right? Him there watch the vlog right now. You watch it already?
I'm not going to take no side, dog. You're wrong, bro. You don't feel to do that, bro. Watch out.
But you know me, dog.
You can see it in our face, bro.
In there, he want do this if hype up it, you know? See him turn on the vlog and I watch it, him do this say hype it
Yo,
up.
watch out. Good girl, that's a dog.
Yo, you go on. You know how go on. Me just need late and I have a good. Me not see nothing wrong with it still. I mean not turn back for our meeting.
Bro, you was in a relationship, bro. It's different.
Ricky, we're dating. Me and her are date.
Okay, but it's alright. It's a respect thing. So basically, if you don't respect her, alright, would you like her to do that with a guy right in front of you?
If we're dating, we wouldn't care. And that me I try to tell people, but people
still,
don't understand.
You're dating basically.
Yeah.
Just give her the respect, bro.
Alright, me say sorry. But me not see nothing wrong with it. I know disrespect, me not disrespect, because everybody have their own take on it.
Too much of her friend them, so she feel bad about herself, bro. Everybody's there, everybody's hanging out, and then you go hang. Oh, well, I know you do it still. The girl can't wind up.
So I mean, if you take a blame for everything, then what go on? Me I take a blame. Alright, cool. Me take a blame. But between me and you, Ricky, you know me stay.
Send her some roses.
I don't me that think, you know, but me I try to call her and she don't answer me call.
Oh shit.
Yeah, she block me and Mel I go around me thing, Mel, me and your friend, you know. Everything good. But Ricky there, I watch a vlog, call me a vlog for hype up the situation. Cause me and him a talk about the shit. Yo, you're gonna fall.
This is Florida. Welcome to Florida.
You're gonna fall. Welcome back to Florida. Just go and do it for vlog. Me glad you're alright. I'm not broke up. Me ma walk on a up.
We're outside. Soon get our next bike.
Yeah! For that joke aside, ride within the helmet, ride within the gears.
No, listen,
Bike
it wasn't
thing
even my
serious.
fault, but the thing about it, just watch your area, your surroundings.
And protect yourself while riding bikes, you know? We know when you say we joke about them shit about. We really serious. So our life this. And anything can happen at any moment on a bike. So we know that. We understand that. But at the fun for we, at the chill light, you see me?
Yeah, man.
GX and Bingy them did a page the other day. I say, if you catch none of it on bike again. So if you catch on that with one bike, you might go broke you up. GX stop ramp with my badness. But GX, him know how we ride, so that's why him did kind of tell me that. We not got video when we ride no more GX, you see me? We're more aware now have gears now, GX. I promise you. I know you're afraid for we dog, we good.
No man, I'm serious.
Serious talk, you see me? Love and support, see me. Big up everybody with there. And me and Ricky are going to go on with a vibe.
I'm glad we can laugh about this right now, because serious, I thought
Yeah.
it was something big.
Yeah, tell them say you fly.
Yo, we fly, that was Superman.
Yeah, man, end up on top of a car. Thank God him alright. And to everybody we are concerned and afraid about him good. He up and running again, you see it, you see? He just get better for all of the broke up. So vlog girl, what go on? As you can see, we dep on a different camera. I dep on the big camera and I shoot with the big camera while I have my phone in my hand. I try to call Megan from reach back and I not get Megan, so I try to call up on camera, so you see. I call Mel first. Cause Mel a go around me thing, you know. I feel like a Mel a tell her say don't pick up the call. I catch everything, me not care. And she not answer. You know, alright. I try call her on FaceTime, see if she go pick up. This a Mel me I try call, but Mel not pick up. Georgia. I call Megan. I call her. I call Mel one more time. You see, I know me alone. They might take this way out of hand. Alright, she not answer. I call Megan. I just call Megan before I come on the camera, so I go try call her again. To see if she go pick up. Calling Megan on FaceTime. To see if she's gonna pick up. I try to screen record it. Hold on. Never make no sense to me screen record this, cause damn, she something in my call. Damn. When I can't say me never ever try. Call me a try. So what? 4 times, 5 times me I call her, she not answer. I send her a text. I can't show her the text message honestly. But she not reply to none of my texts them. Hello?
What's up?
Megan. Yo, you just answer my call. I never know what to say, but what? Just please not stop act like that. I reply to my text.
Act like what?
Bro, this shit not serious. Me ask all of my friend them and me talk to people. Me think
You're
you
not understanding the principle, like, Megan, it's the principle. Who that? Andrew. Yo, he was blowing up my phone just now. Are you serious? Like,
Mel, just let me talk to Megan, please. Please, just let me talk.
serious? No. Go to the phone.
Mel,
Yes.
please, let me just talk to Megan now.
Stop calling that and stop calling me too. Like, just stop. Just like give it up.
So you are cut me off too?
I'm not as a friend, but my thing is that she just needs time. She
Oh,
needs
which
time.
Mel, which time me and her just
And
start talk?
Hold on now. I know you, right? So the amount of time you call, I know you were calling because you want to talk to her. I knew it.
So hear me I say, just let me talk to Megan now, Mel, please. Like we grown, you can't make, we just, this is between me and your sister. Me and your friend and I know that. But this is between me and your sister. You can't just make we talk it out and figure it out like grown folks.
She needs time.
Oh my God, Mel. She'll not just back off a little bit when I talk to her now.
Andrew, I don't
Just give her back your phone. Give her back your phone. Mel, I know me and you in a relationship and me and your sister. If me and her stop talking because of you, you know.
What? Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me, okay? Because that night, you did it to yourself.
Yeah, but dancing, Mel, we are drink and the whole of we have a good time.
And you making me stutter more. Like, I know I stutter, but damn. Out there. Like, I can't even talk. Alright.
Megan.
Didn't you make it back safely?
Huh?
Didn't you make it back safe and sound?
Yeah, but me I try to talk to you to make sure me and you good.
You
Me
didn't
can't.
talk to me about you getting back. So now that you're settled in, you want to talk? And
You,
what was it that you said on Instagram?
yeah, bring up the Instagram something. Are you post first? Some you know me stay. Are you first
I was
post?
my feelings, but you as a man, you didn't have to post back.
Yeah, but
Let me be my feelings.
yeah, but me I try to talk to you and me not talk to you. If you post something and you know people are following you off a what go on, me go have to say something back.
But why do you want to talk now? Like, you didn't want to communicate with me beforehand, and all of a sudden you want to talk.
I was trying to, but you never give me the opportunity to explain myself.
You had hours to let me know what was going on.
Bro, see all when me that left me that try wake you up and you never want to hear nothing from me.
Andrew, don't even say that. That's not true. What did you expect out of me when you said that?
To be like, alright, cool, when you come back.
Alright, cool. I don't know what's gone on in your past, but that's never gonna fly. Like, if we are dating, you should communicate with me, period. I
Okay.
shouldn't be the last to know.
Okay, alright, but true, this was as me that said, me that for make a quick run because of a certain situation. So wait, may we get this clear. What you vex with me for? Your friend a dance for me or because I'm up and cut?
That irritated me, but it's mostly because you're up on cut. Yeah.
I'm tell you, say me I come back, but
you didn't consider me in you know that decision making.
yeah,
I would have came
but
with you know, or if that's not the case.
Megan, you know you have work. You know you have work. So stop talk like you could have up and cut with me.
Whatever. But see, you thought about those things, and you still never tell me in that thought process.
Bro, I'm sorry. Can we just be cool? Remember we up on a dating thing, you know, like me never think it reach level 10 yet for ya. Like we are date. And when me I talk to you.
You show me your colors now.
Megan, remember when me just talk to you? Megan, remember when me I talk to you, me tell you me I talk to other girls. So we still fresh with this.
So that make an excuse for that.
No, I don't know excuse. I got alright. But me I gotta apologize.
Agree to disagree.
Your vibes are gonna change, yo?
I'm cool.
Nah, you're not cool.
I'm cool.
Cause you ignore me call him and not reply to my text messaging. That fuck up.
That's fucked up.
Yeah.
The non-communicating is fucked up, isn't it? Yeah, laugh. It's fucked up, isn't it? Megan, but gone because I cannot believe that you're still on the phone with Andrew.
Mel, please, Mel.
Ah!
Megan?
No, joker. Yeah.
We good?
You know what?
We good?
I'm not gonna let this stress me another day.
Yeah, me not think you fear make this stress you.
I'm not. I'm just gonna, act accordingly. That's all.
Act accordingly.
Act accordingly.
Yo, just know say if you do enough follow shit on Instagram, me go do it back.
I'm not doing
Me petty and you know that. Me petty and toxic, so just know. If you say something me feel away, me go answer back.
I'll leave the Instagram thing alone, okay?
Yeah, no put your business on Instagram, please.
I'm not. But like I said, you show me how you want to move, I'm gonna move the same. That's all. You don't want to communicate with me certain things that are very important. All right, that's about we're on.
Alright, Megan. I can call you back later on?
Yeah, I'm gonna respond to you now.
Okay. See, you take everything for joke. Please stop listen to Mel. I'm here in this, not me, you and your sister.
I know, she's crazy.
Alright, I'm gonna talk to you.
She's the best, so, Alright, I'm gonna talk to you soon.
Alright, cool.
Later.
Yeah. Yes, she answered the phone. Oh no, she go watch this. Me no mean it for you laugh. Me just happy say you answer about my call. And Mel go on the most sweet. Me dey on the phone call for about a good 10-9 minutes. So me probably put this in a one whole vlog by itself. Or me add it to the video them. Me know me I go do, but I finally get to talk to her. And I hope we can work this out. So me go end the vlog here right, so thanks for watching. I think me dey one step closer in fixing back where me and Megan did I go through. I read everybody comment about the situation, Some on the right, some on the wrong. You just have to go back and watch the video them and see. I didn't do nothing bad, I promise. But thanks for watching, and I just me go end the vlog. Big up on yourself and stay tuned for your next vlog. A mad thing.
Say them bad but me no say my bother. Tell a bad mind boy suck him mother. She a climb on my body like ladder. She a suck it off,